A multinational retail company wanted to provide a better experience for customers visiting its in-store pharmacy and optometrist offices. To make this possible, the corporation needed to transform outdated legacy applications written in Cobol, C#, Python, and VB.NET, converting them to cloud-based applications. Judge met with stakeholders to understand the company's short and long-term goals and moved quickly to source top talent. A 2-decade-long relationship with the client also helped inform Judge's deep understanding of its needs. Judge provided front-end React.js developers, as well as Java, Spring Boot, microservices, and Azure Cloud backend developers. Judge also staffed the QA department, tasked with testing the applications using a combination of Selenium, Java, and SQL manual and automated testing services. Ultimately, the successful multi-application migration allowed the company to access patient information across many locations, while remaining fully compliant with health and privacy regulations. It has also significantly improved customers' in-store pharmacy and optometrist experiences, allowing company executives to expand and enhance their in-store health and wellness offerings.